In this video we're going to look at how we can use an equalizer to make the sound that's coming out of Logic appear to come out of an old radio. So here's the clean sound. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my stereo out channel and I'm going to add an audio effect. I'm going to go to equalizer and select channel EQ. Open up the analyzer and we can see that we've got energy over here in the low frequencies and less energy through the mids and some energy in the high frequencies. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a high pass filter by turning it on here and bringing up the frequency that it affects here. I'm going to go all the way up to 300 and we'll hear now it won't have any low frequencies. So it's already starting to sound very thin. Now I'm going to apply a low pass filter, which is over here. Click to turn it on. And I'm going to bring this down to around 3000 Hertz. So the frequency band that you're going to hear is very, very small now. Let's have a listen. And there we go. Sounds like it's coming out of a terrible speaker. We can add a little boost up here. Now what's nice about this effect is you can use it to reduce the amount of energy in a song and then take it off to bring all that energy back in for a really nice effect. Let's have a listen to what that sounds like.